I remember back at the university, some of your friends want to visit you, especially the female. They feel shy or they feel afraid and giving reasons that maybe they're tired, they have headache, they have. It is very important as a lady to understand and read yourself internally, because the manifestation that occurs in a woman's body, they are quite hidden, which it takes careful consideration to get the full understanding in them. Sometimes, as a lady, these are signs that you must understand them for you to stay safe. I remember back at the university, some of your friends want to visit you, especially the female. They feel shy or they feel afraid and giving reasons that maybe they're tired, they have headache, they have pain, all sort of complaints like that. But deep inside, there is something happening which is bigger than what you think. They may not open up or they may not even inform you. You need to understand that a lot of things happen within a female's body. Understand? Guys, it is very, very important to lay more emphasis on this. Welcome to our channel where we are diving to the captivating way of fertility. Today, we are counting down the 7 signs of ovulation. Have you ever wondered how your body signals during conception? You have noticed changes in your mood, energy level, and physical sensations that seems to happen like a clockwork every month. Well, you are not alone. Understanding ovulation can be a game changer in women. And simple wanting to understand maybe there's your body's rhythm. Are you trying to conceive or just curious about your body? Today, we are going to explore the interesting world of ovulation or the release of an egg. This is a reproductive fitness with Nurse Collins where we discuss women's well-being. If you are new into this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And to our returning subscriber, I say thank you so much. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 top signs that you are ovulating or you are about to release an egg, preparing for conception. Now, this topic that we are going to discuss, we are going to go deeper into them so that we can understand them. Point number 1 that we are going to look at is increase cervical mucus. Point 2, the basal body temperature rise. 3, mild pelvic pain. Point 4, increased libido. Point 6, cervical changes. Point 7, spotting or light bleeding. Understanding your body during menstruation can help you track fertility, increasing your chances of conception or deeply increase a deep connection in your body. By watching this video, you will learn how to recognize these signs and take control of your reproductive health. So, let's get started. Now, top 7 signs that a lady or a female is ovulating. Point number 1, you have increased cervical mucus. Few days or few hours to ovulation, or at the peak of ovulation, you are going to see changes in the cervical mucus. Now, how are you going to recognize or identify these changes? Or these are signs of ovulation. You have a clear, slippery, or stretchy discharge. This particular discharge, it is sometimes similar to an egg white. Remember, it is odorless, meaning that if your own odor or is offensive, then it is a call for concern. Point number 2, we have basal body temperature rise. Now, this sharp increase in body temperature is a result of hormonal change. Remember, we discussed on our previous video, estrogen and progesterone, how they influence the menstrual cycle. Now, this signal that you are at the peak of ovulation, which you need to prepare. Maybe if you want a conception or you don't want. Point number 3, we are going to look at mild pelvic pain. Some women may experience mild cramping or twins on one side of the lower abdomen, which is very, very abnormal. And sometimes this cramping becomes very severe. When this cramping become more severe, it is a call for concern. That is the reason why I said my cramping. So if yours is severe, then it is not a sign of ovulation. It may be a sign of an underlying medical condition where you need to seek your healthcare provider attention. These are things that we neglect, but they are very important as far as reproductive health is concerned. Point number 4, increased libido. Some women do notice an increase in sex drive. Of course, this is very, very true. This theory is 100% true. Towards the period or the ovulation period, a woman, it has this urge engaged in sexual activities. Now, these are very normal because it's being caused by what? Hormonal changes. Point number 5, we have increased breast tenderness. This breast tenderness are caused by what? Hormonal changes in preparation of what? In case there is conception. We just discussed progesterone and estrogen. Point number 6, we have cervical changes. Remember that in our first point, we're looking at what? Cervical mucus. We have cervical changes. The cervix, when you get into the vagina, at just few centimeters from the entrance, you are going to meet the cervix. And during ovulation, the cervix becomes very shorter and more open, and is very, very higher in the vagina, meaning that you can have access to it maybe during what? During manual stimulation. Now, this is being caused by what? The shortened length of it. Point number 7, the last but not the least, we have spotting or light bleeding. Some women may experience light bleeding or spotting, which is very normal. This bleeding or spotting, it should not be severe. It should not be continuous. It should be very light and normal. If yours is severe and continuous, then it is not the sign of ovulation. You should seek medical attention. It might be as a result of what? An underlying problem, which you don't know. So it is very, very important. Keep in mind that not all women experience these symptoms, and the presence and the absence of this sign doesn't definitely confirm ovulation. If you are trying to conceive or track your cycle, consider using ovulation predictor kit, or you consult your healthcare provider. Share your experiences or questions about ovulation in the comment section. Your input can help others to become more informed and empowered. If you like this video, of course, I know you love it. Be sure to check our next video on 4 categories of sanitary pads, their types, and their advantages and disadvantages. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. I wish you a healthy life.